Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you've been watching the AI space lately, you know it has been absolutely wild. Today we're diving into one of the most hotly debated matchups in the investment world right now. Nvidia versus Cerebras, two AI chip companies, two very different stories, and the question everyone's asking is, which one is the better stock to buy right now? Let's start with the heavyweight champion of the room, Nvidia. This company needs almost no introduction at this point. Nvidia has essentially become the backbone of the entire artificial intelligence revolution. Their H100 and A100 GPUs are the chips that power everything from ChatGPT to Google's AI systems to pretty much every major AI model you've ever heard of. The company posted revenues that blew Wall Street away quarter after quarter, and their stock has been one of the best performers in the entire market over the past couple of years. We're talking about a company with a market cap hovering around the $1 trillion mark. That's not a small bet, that's a generational investment thesis playing out in real time. But here's where it gets interesting, because Nvidia isn't the only game in town anymore. Enter Cerebras Systems, a much younger, scrappier company that has been making some serious noise lately. Cerebras makes what they call the wafer-scale engine, and that's not just a clever name. This chip is literally the size of an entire silicon wafer, making it the largest chip ever built. And the argument they're making is pretty compelling. For certain AI workloads, especially running AI inference, which is basically when you're actually using an AI model to generate responses, their chip can outperform Nvidia's offerings significantly. They claim speeds up to 20 times faster for some inference tasks. That's a bold claim, and it's getting attention. Now, Cerebras recently went public, which means for the first time, everyday investors can actually get a piece of this company. And that's exactly why this conversation is happening right now. The IPO generated a ton of buzz, and people are wondering, is this the ground floor opportunity of the decade, or is it a risky bet on an unproven challenger? Here's the honest breakdown. Nvidia is profitable, dominant, and deeply embedded in every major AI infrastructure project on the planet. Their CUDA software ecosystem alone creates a moat that's incredibly hard for competitors to breach. Developers have spent years learning to build on Nvidia's platform, and switching costs are enormous. If you're looking for stability and confidence in your AI investment, Nvidia is the blue chip choice. It's not cheap, but you're paying for reliability. Cerebras, on the other hand, is a pure growth play with real technical innovation behind it. Their chip architecture is genuinely different, not just incrementally better. They've already landed significant customers, including major cloud providers and government contracts. But they're still burning cash, they're not profitable yet, and they're going up against a competitor with almost unlimited resources and brand recognition. The risk is real. So who wins this matchup? Well, it really depends on who you are as an investor. If you can stomach volatility and you believe AI inference demand is going to explode, which, honestly, most analysts think it will, then Cerebras offers asymmetric upside that Nvidia simply can't at its current size. But if you want to sleep at night and still have massive exposure to AI's growth, Nvidia remains arguably the single best way to invest in artificial intelligence right now. Both companies are betting everything on AI being the defining technology of our generation, and honestly, they're probably both right. The real question isn't which company wins, it's whether there's room for more than one winner in this race, and history tells us that in transformational tech shifts, there usually is.